Hello, my name is Paul Arce, and today our class is about how animals are grouped. Look at these pictures. What do all of them have in common? Yes, they are animals. Animals can be grouped in many different ways, depending on different aspects. Today, we will talk about some ways animals can be grouped. Animals can be grouped in many ways, depending on their characteristics. Take a look at these pictures. Do you know what are these? You're right. There's a fish, a whale, an iguana, and a grasshopper. What aspect am I going to consider grouping them? The first one will be the place where they live. Animals can live on land or on water. Let's group them considering that aspect. That means, do they live on land or on water? Let's see if you can guess. Fish, octopus, and whales are water animals, while iguanas, mice, and grasshoppers are land animals because they live on land. The next aspect we are going to consider to group animals is the blood. Is the animal warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Cold-blooded animals are the ones whose body changes with the temperature outside. For example, when they get cold, they move less often or very slowly, like some animals in the cold winter. When they are hot, they move faster. Warm-blooded animals are the ones whose temperatures inside stay the same, no matter what the temperature outside is. That happens because they try to keep inside their body at constant temperature. Dogs and flamingos are examples of warm-blooded animals. The scorpion, lizard, and iguanas are examples of cold-blooded animals. That's why you can see them in the sun when it is cold, or they might bury themselves in the sand, or seek for shade or hole to live when it is cold. Let's see if you can group these animals considering this. The flamingo, cold or warm-blooded? Flamingos are warm-blooded. Actually, birds are warm-blooded animals. Turtles are cold-blooded animals. How about chipmunks? What happens to them during the winter? They hibernate, and for that, they hide in warm place away from the cold. So they are cold-blooded animals. And the lion? The lion is a warm-blooded animal, like most of mammals are. Finally, we will consider if the animal has a backbone or not. If the animals have a skeleton with a backbone, we call them vertebrates. Animals that don't have backbones are called invertebrates. Here we have a snail, a parrot, a frog, and an octopus. Let's see. The snail and the octopus are invertebrates. The parrot and the frog are vertebrates. Let's see if you remember. Which of these animals is a land animal? The octopus, the whale, or the elephant? Of course, the elephant. Great job. Now, what's the difference between cold or warm-blooded animals? The difference is that cold-blooded animals change the temperature of their body according to the temperature outside, on the surroundings, while warm-blooded animals control their body temperature. And the last question, what are invertebrate animals? They are animals that do not have a backbone. Well, kids, this is all for now. We will see each other soon in another science class. See you then. Bye.